Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing a video on a protective style on 4C natural hair. It's really cute and stick around. Right now you see the products that I'm going to be using, which is coconut oil, a leave-in conditioner by Cantu, and some water. So my daughter's hair is freshly washed. I did a co-wash on it. And I use the Moroccan Argan oil conditioner to just co-wash her hair. I try to do that maybe once a week. And just to keep their hair moisturized, shampooing tends to strip the hair a lot from its natural moisture. So I only use that as needed if there's any buildup or anything going on. But for the main part, I use a conditioner to wash their hair once a week. So what I'm doing right now is I'm sectioning it off so I can detangle. I use the leave-in conditioner, the Cantu with argan oil. I'm about a nickel size. I go ahead and evenly spread that on each section that I detangle. And I use that brush right there. I love that brush to detangle each section of her hair. Believe it or not, I bought that brush from the Dollar Tree maybe 2 years ago, I believe. I was out of town, and I just ran in real quick to see what they had, and I found that. It looked good, and I am loving it. It gets the job done. And after each section is detangled, I go ahead and apply some coconut oil just to seal in that moisture. I mean, look at the difference from that tangled section to the untangled section. And right now I'm just finishing up with her entire hair. It's all detangled and ready to go. And I'm going to just take this other ponytail out and start styling. So first what I do is I'm going to go ahead and part a zigzag pattern down the middle. So it's going to be in 2 buns when I'm done. And it's not going to have a straight line down the middle. I have like a little zigzag pattern just to spice it up. I mean, it's a pretty fun, easy, simple look. And just to make it a little more funky and fun, just going to add a zigzag going down the middle. And so now what I'm doing is I'm going to be applying that Eco Styler gel all around the corners of her hair just to smooth it out and give it that nice finished look. I apply it everywhere that it's been parted on the edges, and all around to just smooth that so it goes nicely into a ponytail and then eventually into a bun. So I'm going to use my trusty detangling brush and smooth it out some more and get all that hair into a bun. And now what I'm going to be doing is sectioning off the front part of her hair. That's where I'm going to be putting the 2 flat twists on. It's going to be 2 flat twists on the front side, kind of framing her face, kind of like a mini halo or a mini like milk braid made look, however you call it. That's the style that we're going for today. Nice and cute and simple and also protective. So once I section that hair off in the front, I'll go ahead and apply some more Eco Styler gel again to just smooth it, get all the hairs to go in the direction that I want to do the flat twist on. Use my brush again to smooth it down a little further, get some of the tangles out a little more, and then I'll go ahead and do the flat twist. So basically I'm separating, I guess maybe not down the middle, but I'm just kind of separating it into 2 sections as I go. And I'm just looping one section of the hair on top of the other, just like you would do a twist. And then just going a little section at a time. Okay, so I'm almost done with the second flat twist. Another tip would be to add a little bit of oil at the ends of those flat twists just for extra moisture. And I'm going to move on to the buns that I'm going to do on the back. Again, I'm going to smooth the edges out. I'm going to go over it with my brush and apply the Eco Styler gel as needed. And just to give it a neat look, it's just going to help gather up any strays and just to get it into a nice neat ponytail, which I'm eventually going to do a bun. You can style this in many different ways. I decided to go with a bun this time. Sometimes I do just leave the fro out, you know, so she can have two fro puffs. She likes that. Sometimes I will do single twists at the bottom of each ponytail with some barrettes at the end of it to do another cute little look. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take the end of that flat twist, as you can see, and tuck it into the ponytail of that bun just to secure it out of the way. Like I said, you can do many different styles with this. You can even leave that out and maybe do like a bead at the end of it or a barrette at the end of it, whichever way works. You can switch it up during the week. And now what I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and do her baby hairs, slick them down. I'm using a ragtail comb right here, as you can see. It was by accident that I was able to actually achieve that. But you can use just about anything to get the baby hairs to lay down. You know, you can do a brush. I guess that time I was using a comb, but it got the job done. Okay, I'm done bunning up the other side, and I'm going to go ahead and take that other flat twist and tuck it right into the ponytail to secure it inside the bun. And that's pretty much it. All that's left to do is just to get her baby waves nice and laid in the front, which is what I'm going to be doing next. And you guys, that's it. It will be done. Another tip to just kind of spice up a look or change it up is with accessories. Accessorize. I love accessorizing on my girls' hair. We do lots of ribbons and bows and headbands. It's just another way to kind of bring an old style back to life, which is something that I do, especially if a hairstyle is starting to get a little old, and you know, maybe you don't have time in the morning to brush it up or get it looking nice and fresh. But accessorize. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.